to a new vlog. Today is a special one. Why?
It's our anniversary of boyfriend-girlfriend.
9 years. Lama banget loh.
9 years.
That's insane.
Yeah.
How do you feel? You're bored of me yet?
Lumayan.
Tayo. Serious lah, little people think we toxic.
No, I love you. I'm not getting bored of you at all.
I know, I'll never get bored of you. And today we're in St. Regis. Woo! Excited. It's like one of the newest hotels I think in Jakarta.
We've never stayed here before, so
I know.
it's exciting to see like the facilities and stuff.
I know. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry. Biar ngirit, kita nggak makan di restoran hotelnya, kita pesan aja dari Grab. It's like fun. It's a peak to our marriage. We're always making up games every day. That's why we're never bored in our relationship. Now the game is to throw my sticky bra ke koper yang putih. Babe! Okay, now I have to pay dinner.
Yes!
That was like his 5th try. Did you sit down or stand up? Did you sit down or stand up?
I sat down.
What did you do? Like this or like this?
I did like this.
It's so hard! Go! Waiting for the beat, is it? Go in. Is it? Jadi kita abis berenang dan sekarang kita mau pergi dinner. Actually, where are we having dinner?
Wabi-sabi, because we haven't tried it before.
Yeah, we try
Let's
something,
try something new lah. You know.
Alright. Jadi kita makan wabi-sabi dulu karena mahal. Jadi kita pesennya nggak usah terlalu banyak. Terus kita pulang pesen bebek. Wow, that is some serious food taking. May pakai HP aku sebagai flash loh guys. Okay, the food in front of us looks really good. I'm excited. Look at this. Let's start. My hair's funny.
Cute.
Thanks. Hoi! Hoi! Sumimasen!
Okay. Hey! Sumimasen!
I feel like you gave me this last year.
Huh? Serious? No way. I bought the same one. I didn't buy two.
I swear to God, this is
You
last
serious?
year.
You serious?
Yeah, on our anniversary, the best
I
days
bought
are-
the same one.
I think so.
No, we don't. But yours says happy birthday.
But look, I said happy birthday to our relationship. Good morning, hubby.
Morning.
How was your sleep?
It's good.
We had breakfast in the morning. It was good. As always, you went ham, ate a lot.
Food coma.
Sekarang kita lagi lanjut kerja ya di ranjang sebelum check out. Aku udah maskeran. Hari ini aku mau facial di Jade Clinic dan aku takut banget karena kayaknya hari ini mau salmon DNA deh dan mau botox juga. I'm starting to get like wrinkles in my forehead. This morning I was actually stalking my 2013 photos on my Instagram. I look so different because I used to Photoshop the shit out of my face. That's a bad thing about photoshopping yourself. Kalau lihat foto lama tuh malah yang kayak kok gue dulu cakep ya, tapi lupa sebenarnya dulu tuh gue edit banget gitu. Sekarang masih edit dikit sih, cuman gak separah dulu. Anyway, just a little thought about youth. It's making me insecure about something that I've never been insecure about, which is like aging. Now that I'm almost 29, like holy crap, skin is sagging a little bit. But you guys are here to watch us grow older and hopefully grow our family in the future. So I'm excited for the future still, even though I'm gonna grow a little more wrinkles. Terus lucu banget, semalam setelah bar tuh tiba-tiba ada ini di kamar kita dan dia kasih coconut and some chocolates. It's from our butler Clarissa. Thank you so much for the great service. And then during breakfast they also surprised us with wedang jahe, and it says Mr. Kaisong and Mrs. Titan Tyra. Oh my god, we're married. Thank you St. Regis for the amazing hospitality. Jadi hari ini kita mau pergi ke eventnya Bulgari karena temen aku Tiffany Jauri dia jadi hostnya. Dia masuk bareng. Guys, jadi hari ini kita mau ke store openingnya Secondate. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that out loud. This has been something that we've been dreaming about for years. Dari sejak Secondate, itu Secondate party aja tuh udah mikir-mikir kayak bisa nggak ya one day punya toko. Karena nggak tahu kenapa sebagai seseorang yang baru mulai bisnis, buka toko tuh kayak bisnis banget gitu loh. Sedangkan online kan kayak yeah, anyone can do online. Anyone can start an online store, but to open an offline store feels very adult, you know what I mean? So it's gonna be my first time seeing the store completely done. Kemarin-kemarin tuh cuma lihat pas konstruksi. Yuk kita kesana. Anyway, sekalian shameless promo. Mau pakai lip gloss ya dulu. Ada formula yang baru. Ada vanilla setnya, wangi banget. Let's go. So we're here. It looks so good. Gila sih, I can't believe we pulled this off in a few days. Karena beberapa hari lalu benar-benar masih buruk banget, masih bau cat banget. Wah, gila. Tadinya lantainya tuh masih banyak banget barang-barang tukang. Halo semuanya. Aku lagi vlog. Mau say hi nggak? Udah pada kelihatan semua lagi kerja. Lihat deh, jadi ini adalah example that you guys can get when you guys shoot in our photo booth, and this is the first 0.5 CCTV style photo booth in Indonesia.